In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Cyan AG, a company focused on industrial battery systems and large-scale energy storage solutions. Cyan AG trades on Xetra under the ticker CYR.DE, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CYR.DE to find Cyan AG quickly. Check the results to ensure you select the Cyan AG listing that trades on Xetra. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm basic information and trading venue. Make sure the listing shows Xetra and the ticker CYR.DE so you have the correct Cyan AG stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details including order type and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, your Cyan AG position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same example.